On the 15th of August 2015, we're gonna celebrate our 69th Independence Day. What do you think about that?
I'm very excited and I'll go for mass in the morning, and then I'll go for flag hoisting, and then I'll enjoy the whole day.
It will be very nice, and our college will celebrate it. Yeah, it's an Independence Day, we all will be happy.
We should celebrate with great joy, and there should be peace everywhere.
I don't think we're celebrating Independence Day.
I'm excited about it because it's an independence after so much of trouble and struggle.
भारत को आज़ादी मिल चुकी है, पर मैं बोलूँगा वो नहीं मिली है, क्योंकि आज भारत में भ्रष्टाचार बहुत बढ़ चुका है। भारत का भ्रष्टाचार पूरे सिर की सीमा तक पहुँच चुका है। अगर हम उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं करेंगे तो भारत को आगे जाके बहुत ही ज़्यादा तकलीफ होने वाली है।
It's a great opportunity for a nation. We've completed 69 years as an independent nation, so yeah, it should be a big celebration that takes place in our country.
Now, in India, a lot of things are banned, and moral policing is quite prominent. Now, what do you think about something like this happening in an independent country? Does it live up to the spirit of independence?
No.
Actually, wearing clothes and all, it's very decent clothes, it's good. But some people are they want their choice, so we can't stop them.
No.
First of all, it doesn't live up to the spirit of independence. Second of all, I don't even know how India maintains that they are a moralistic country, because morale as a whole has lost its ground, I guess, with so much of stuff going on, like Asaram Bapu, the greatest example of what's going on.
उसके लिए मैं बोलूँगा भारत में लिटरेसी बहुत बढ़ चुकी है। इलिटरेसी, अगर हम बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे तो ही उनमें मीन्स नॉलेज आएगा सब चीज़ के बारे में वो लोग समझेंगे, तो बस बच्चों को पढ़ाओ।
It absolutely does not. It's an infringement on our rights. We are guaranteed a right to freedom by our constitution. So yeah, when people tell us that we can't do this, we can't eat that, we can't see this thing, it infringes on our rights, and it enrages me that people in a country that proclaims itself as independent, calls itself a democracy, such things still exist.
If you had the power, what would you do to make this country more independent or a better place to live?
Pass rules so that population should be reduced. First of all, population is a very big problem in India. Yeah,
I would not create a Holocaust, first, and second of all, I think I would make it more accessible to the public in a way, and also keep public opinion in my view, and not ban noodles.
सबसे पहले तो मैं जो स्विस बैंक में ब्लैक मनी है वो सबसे पहले इंडिया में लाऊंगा। उसके बाद इंडिया का जितना भी जो भी वर्क है सब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन करने का ट्राई करूँगा, क्योंकि करप्शन अपना बहुत हाई हो चुका है। सो बस।
If I had a power, I would help the poor people, and I would help the children who are not getting to studies and send them to school. And
No idea.
No idea. Okay.
If ever were I into politics, the first thing I would absolutely do is help the citizens of our country come closer to the government. Right now, if we ever talk to a person saying that for this thing you have to go to a government office, they shy away from it. So make governance more accessible. Yes, it's happening, but at what scale? So yes, that's the first thing I'd like to do, is get the citizens more closer to the governance.
Okay, the defense forces are a very important part of our country. They make sure that an independent country remains independent. If you could send a message to them through this video, what would that be?
The only message I'd like to say is thank you for what y'all are doing for us, and thank you for being the brave souls that you all are to lay down your lives for the country. There's no greater sacrifice a man or a woman can do.
thank you for what you all have done, and we really appreciate you all.
You all are doing a very good job. You all should continue it, and you are the people who should receive real respect. Yeah, that's it.
I would like to thank them because they're doing such a great job.
We like to thanks to the army people, for the navy and the air force, that what are that they're doing for us.
I don't know if I would want to send them a message, more as just appreciate what they're doing for us. Because again, if I would have to send them a message, I just blabber on forever and it would make no sense.
उनको इतना ही मैसेज दूंगा कि तुम जो कर रहे हो सही कर रहे हो, कोई रोके नहीं, बस सिर्फ इतना करते रहो, बाकी सब सरकार पे छोड़ दो, सरकार तुम्हारा परिवार बस सब देखेगी और बाकी सब